Hello, my name's Nigel from Nige June YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're going to be show you how to set up your social media locations, add them to your YouTube video, and have them to redirect your viewers to your actual social media sites once the user or viewer clicks on that icon. Okay, before we move forward, you will have to check that you've verified your associated website with your YouTube channel. If you haven't done that, at the top of this video now will be a YouTube link showing you how to get that set up. So basically you need to have your website, which is going to be the mechanisms for us doing these external annotations. You need to have your website verified with Google, and which also has to be done with the Google Webmasters system as well. And the tutorial above me at the top of this video will actually show you how to achieve that. So if you haven't done that, just follow that tutorial first at the top and then move on to this tutorial. Okay, so what do I mean by external web annotations? Looking at this end of the YouTube video here, right at the very end here, we provide a number of links to subscribe to this channel. We also, up here, we also provide a link to the website, and we've got links to previous other videos. But what I mean by external website annotations are our actual social media links, such as Twitter, Facebook, Google+, all our external social media links. So instead of just adding text called Twitter or Facebook, which really doesn't look so good on your videos, you can actually add these icons here. So if I click on Facebook, a new page will open and I get taken straight to the Facebook link. And the same will happen, you get the idea, if I click on any of these other links. It's a nice user experience to get users going straight to your social media channels, and it gives it a good look. Okay, at this stage, before you move on following this tutorial, I would have to give this tutorial a geek level of about 10 out of 10. It's to actually achieve this, you're going to have to get into the website, your actual web server itself. Whether that's Apache or Nginx or any others, you're going to have to get into that and make some modifications. And if that sounds scary or you don't know what I'm talking about, this is probably a good time for you to quit the video now. But if you're like me, and you get obsessed over tiny little trivial details and you just can't let them go, they just drive you crazy, and even though you don't know what I'm talking about, you just have to get this working, by all means follow this tutorial. So the underlying system that we use for setting up these redirects here is what's called a 301 redirect. And basically all that means is, in our website, as you can see here, I've added Nige June, and I've added a location called Facebook_redirect. That's just a location in my web server. And what happens if somebody clicks on that, we redirect this location to the actual Facebook account location. And exactly the same with Twitter. As you can see, you've got Nige June, and I've set up this Twitter_redirect. That's just something I've set up myself. And if the user clicks on that, they get taken to that location, then straight away redirected to the Twitter account. Okay, just a brief example just for reference to see what I mean. I use Nginx for my web servers. This my website's running on Nginx, the WordPress website, nigejune.com. So down here, I've set a number of Nginx 301 redirects, and I've just created these locations in the web server itself: Pinterest_redirect, Facebook_redirect. I use that pattern so it's easy to remember. And then underneath here is the actual location of my Pinterest account, my Facebook account, my Google Plus account. So it's just doing two things. This is a source location of when your YouTube user selects your social media icon, And underneath here is the actual location of your social media. Please note, this is only for Nginx. If you use Apache, you Google it on Google and find out how to do your Apache redirects. It will follow a similar principle as Nginx. And if you're using other types of web servers, yes, again, follow those. There's a wealth of information of various different ways that you can set up these redirects. I've done this in my Nginx server. I'm moving across to a brand new channel I've set up exclusively for YouTube tutorials, mainly for vlog development. So this is new, and so I'll go to my channel. So I have one video here which I want to edit. So click on Video Manager, select Edit, and let's go to our annotations. And on this particular video, it hasn't yet been annotated. Pause that. So nothing's been annotated here. We've got the subscribe link. That's pretty standard. YouTube provides a link, a subscribe link for you. The website here, we've enabled external website annotations. So we've got a clear link for here. These two here are just going to be links to other YouTube videos. Not a problem linking those. Here's the key point here. Here are our 4 social media icons. And it's these ones here. When we click on these icons here, we want to get taken out of YouTube to the specific social media link. For example, if we click on Twitter, we want to get taken to our Twitter account. Facebook account. So this is the key point here. This is where you can add the actual icons here to take you to your external links. Okay, so let's set up an external annotation for Facebook. So we need to add an annotation. I'm going to use Spotlight here, and we can just drag this across here, just around it. That will do. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about the times. You can adjust the times down here. It's quite straightforward. But the key point here I want to highlight is selecting link, going across to video, and going to our associated website. We have to have this enabled. Okay, now let's enter the address of our website. In this particular case, it's nigejune.com. Now, if you remember before when I was talking about the 301 redirects, how I set up mine in Nginx, I need to set up the one for here. And I've used the same naming convention, which for Twitter will be Twitter_redirect. And that's it. Okay, I should be able to save this now. Apply the changes. Okay, now let's go to an actual plain copy of this video and just prove that this works. Go back to my channel. Select the video here. Just need to refresh this latest version of Safari. Go to the very end here, pause that, and notice when I put my mouse over the Twitter link, we get the link appearing here. And it's just a simple matter for your viewers to select that link. We're now taken to the redirect. We're now taken to Twitter website. And here it is here. And if I set up the redirects for the other social media accounts, it will take you straight to your social media account. And so that's it. The main purpose of this tutorial is just to show how to set up icons that on your YouTube video that will take you straight to your social media accounts, that will take your viewers straight to your social media accounts. So it's just a nice experience for your viewers to go straight to your social media as such, instead of using text. So ideally we want to remove all the text out of our video and just have nice looking icons that create a nice, pleasant visual experience for everyone viewing your YouTube videos. Okay, that's all for this one. There's going to be many follow-on tutorials of good little hints and helpful ways of enhancing your videos. So please follow this tutorial if you're interested, and above will be various annotations to my social media links as well as the other videos as well. That's all for this one. Bye for now.